Top it off with some fresh parsley. Ooh, watch out. Bringing the camera over here so you can see me slice up some noble bread. The country rosemary loaf. A dish like this just really needs some crispy, crunchy bread, so we're going to take some of these thin slices, drizzle them with olive oil, a little bit of salt, and then toss them into the broiler for a few minutes. They come out, they look like that, really tasty. Now let's plate it up. Oh, I did. Watch out. Man. There you go. Nice easy dish. Hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye.